Hi, I'm Adam with Kofor Tile and Stone. I'm at a project that we recently finished here in Arroyo Grande, and I thought I'd walk you through it. The homeowners contacted us to help them with their new construction home, where we did 3 bathrooms, a kitchen backsplash, and a pantry backsplash. Let's go check it out. Here we are in the primary bathroom. We have a freestanding tub, wainscoting on 2 sides of the tub, with a cool little niche that has a fish scale mosaic in the back of it. I love how this all came out. The wainscoting ties in with the primary shower. It's a curbless shower with shaved pebbles on the floor. Niche with fish scale mosaic on it also. All the tile in this house came from Tile Co. We installed this tile on a horizontal stack for a contemporary clean vibe. Here we are in the kitchen. The owners chose a rectangular shaped tile that we set in a subway pattern. I really like how it's subtle, but it has a nice texture and some cool color variation. Just kind of give it a subtle interest to a really clean kitchen. Here we are in the guest bathroom where we did a shower over tub. There's a Schluter shelf. We used Schluter profiles to trim out the edges. I dig the cool double windows that went up to the 9-foot ceiling and how all that trimmed out. We used stacked tile for a cool contemporary vibe. Here we are in the second guest bath where we did a full curbless shower. One of the things that I like to mention that we always do with our curbless showers when we're preparing them, we always use a surface applied waterproofing with a bonding flange drain. That allows us to tie into the bathroom floor properly with our waterproofing. This bathroom, like the rest of them in the house, is horizontal stacked. This one has a niche with a cool mosaic tile in the back. Nice big window. Bathroom came out nice. And last but not least, here's the pantry. Thanks for watching.